We're glad you're with us this Monday for Local 4 News at 5. No one will be going to jail in connection with the death of David Stojewski, who died inside the Macomb County Jail.
You remember it was a Defender's exclusive investigation that helped spur a Department of Justice probe into the inmate's death in 2014. Well, let's bring in Defender Kevin Dietz. And Kevin, what is the sheriff saying about this?
Well, the sheriff and the county executive are both saying that this federal investigation is a strong and independent statement that nobody here at the jail, not the deputies or the medical staff, committed any crimes when they failed to treat David Stojewski prior to his death here. David Stojewski's death was seen around the world after a Defender investigation showed video of his final days of life. David laying on a jail cell floor naked, suffering from seizures and extreme weight loss as a result of withdrawal from doctors' prescribed medications. Today, the sheriff and county executive called a press conference to announce results of a federal investigation.
We have not identified any prosecutable violations of federal criminal law. Therefore, our investigation is closed.
The defenders obtained this letter to David's family explaining the investigation's findings. It says there was not enough evidence to prove criminal intent by the Macomb County jail staff or medical personnel. There will be no criminal charges. At the jail, there have been some changes by the medical staff, who now sends more prisoners to the hospital.
For about a 3-day period, we had 8 inmates in various hospitals throughout southeast Michigan. We sent a lot of inmates out of the facility.
The county executive saying mental illness and addiction needs to be addressed.
We're not unique. Macomb County Sheriff's Jail is not unique. You're seeing this all across the country. This is becoming, I'll call it an epidemic, if you will.
Outside of the press conference, Stojewski's family attorney, who says the fight for answers will continue through a civil lawsuit.
It is a sad and tragic incident that never should have happened, but for the deliberate indifference of the county and of their medical personnel.
County Executive Mark Hackel says the county will never settle this civil lawsuit, and that is actually good news to the family of David Stojewski. They say they want a civil trial so that people will have to come in court under oath and testify as to why they did not act sooner to try and help save their son. And coming up at 6 o'clock, I sit down with David's mother and father, and you'll get their reaction to this development coming up at 6. Kevin Dietz, Defenders.
All right, we'll look forward to that. Kevin, but was anyone disciplined or fired as a result of this internal investigation?
Yeah, that's interesting. You know, they did an internal investigation here, and the sheriff says that he found no wrongdoing by any of the deputies here. So basically, they've made no changes other than the fact that now the medical staff is sending more people to the hospital sooner. That's the only difference they've made here.
All right, we will look forward to your report of the family's reaction to all of this coming up at 6.